LG250A, operating the ventilation system with the mini control unit. Your compact ventilation unit is equipped with a control unit. It is mounted on a wall in your house. An illuminated green ventilation level symbol in the center of the control panel shows you that the ventilation system is running in its default setting. That is ventilation level 2. Use the plus and minus buttons on the right side of the control unit to change the ventilation levels. The highest setting is level 3 and the lowest is level 1. If you press the plus button to increase to the highest ventilation level symbol, this activates the boost ventilation process. The unit is now running in the ventilation level 3. After 1 hour of operation in the highest ventilation level, the system automatically returns to the normal setting, level 2. Alternatively, you can end the boost ventilation process manually before 1 hour has passed. To do this, simply press the minus button on your control unit. If you reduce the normal operation level manually to level 1 by pressing the minus button, this corresponds to a night mode or an absence mode. In order that the indoor ventilation system functions properly, it is important to always keep the system in operation. Only turn off the system if you are about to do carpentry work, which will cause a lot of dust. To do so, press the minus button again after reaching ventilation level 1. This puts the system in standby mode. In standby mode, none of the diodes of the 3 ventilation levels are illuminated. If your unit is running in the basic ventilation mode, this is indicated by the green flashing diode of ventilation level 1. You need to disconnect the compact ventilation unit from the power supply. No diodes at all are illuminated when the system has been disconnected. After you finish the work that creates a lot of dust, reactivate the system immediately by pressing the plus button. Reconnect the main supply beforehand if necessary. Use the symbol buttons on the left side of the control unit to switch between summer and winter modes for your home ventilation system. You can see which mode is activated from the illuminated green diode next to the button symbol. In summer mode, the compact ventilation unit actively injects the cool night air into the living spaces. In winter mode, this function deactivates and the external air is heated via the heat recovery and, when necessary, with the automatic preheater battery if installed. The control unit displays a check filter notification every 4 months. A yellow diode lights up on the bottom left of the control unit. This is a reminder to check the filter in your compact ventilation unit for soiling and replace it if necessary. To learn how to change the filters, see our video LG250A, replacing the filter with the mini control unit. After the filter replacement is complete, reactivate the system immediately by reconnecting the main supply and then press the plus button. Then, confirm the filter replacement on the control unit. To do this, hold the plus and minus buttons simultaneously for at least 5 seconds. This will turn off the check filter light and restart the cycle. If you replace the filter before the filter notification appears, you can reset the filter time by holding down the plus and minus buttons simultaneously for at least 5 seconds. If the diode of the warning triangle on the right side flashes red, this means the system is malfunctioning. In this case, please contact an installer. For more information about the different flashing patterns, please see the manual. We also recommend a service contract for annual maintenance with a licensed contractor. For further details on the technical equipment, please refer to the manuals.